NERV is the first truly private, post-quantum, infinitely scalable L1 blockchain, replacing Merkle trees with verifiable neural state embeddings with Halo 2 and Nova proofs. Achieving greater than 1 million transactions per second with dynamic sharding, full privacy by default via T-bound 5-hop mixing, and a self-improving useful work economy through federated learning. And full NIST post-quantum security from Genesis using dilithium, 3 and ML-KEM. No pre-mine. October 27 fair launch. Generous token allocation for early contributors, vested over 3 years post-launch. Imagine a blockchain that is not only fully private, but also infinitely scalable that people, and even AI agents, can use for their everyday transactions. It will not be just incrementally better than anything that currently exists. It will be a completely new paradigm of money itself. I would love for you to be part of the community that brings this dream to reality. And the dream isn't too far either. 85% of the code is already available now on GitHub. Your expertise can help make that crucial leap from being a strong prototype to being a fully realized, live, ever-evolving private money. Please check out the repo, the white paper, and the code base from the links below and come join us.